What happens when a heavy-duty pickup truck possesses enough power to make many sports cars wary? The Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 not only brings a supercharged V8 engine full of authority, but it is also equipped with a specialized suspension system, impressive towing capability, and an unbelievably luxurious cabin. However, with a price exceeding 100,000 USD, this cannot just be an expensive toy for speed enthusiasts. The TRX must prove that it is truly useful off-road, comfortable enough for the family, and superior enough to compete with the Ford F-150 Raptor R. In this video, we will analyze each core value to see whether this pickup truck is worth the money, or if it is just selling emotion through its massive power. Comment with number 1 if a video is good, or number 2 if not. Thank you. If the exterior design only creates visual pressure, then the engine under the hood is the detail that makes the Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 truly formidable. The heart of the truck remains the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine. But Ram has not simply brought back the old configuration. The intake airflow has been improved, and fuel pressure has been increased, thereby pushing the output to 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Compared to the previous generation, the new TRX gains about 70 horsepower, an increase large enough to make a real difference, not just to beautify the specification sheet. All of that power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard 4-wheel drive. This is an almost mandatory configuration for a massive body pickup with high ground clearance and 35-inch off-road tires. The challenge is not only generating power, but also delivering it to the ground effectively, minimizing wheel spin, and keeping the truck stable when the driver floors the accelerator. The TRX accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.7 seconds. Imagine a large pickup truck with high ground clearance and specialized off-road hardware that can launch as fast as many sports cars. It is precisely this contrast that creates its unique appeal. The driver sits in a high position, looking over a wide hood, but the acceleration feel is so strong that the body is pressed firmly into the seatback. When placed against the Ford F-150 Raptor R with its mentioned 720 horsepower, the TRX clearly holds the advantage on paper. However, from the perspective of a car reviewer, more than 50 extra horsepower is not enough to decide which one is more well-rounded. What matters more is the transmission response, body control, and how the drivetrain handles torque in real-world conditions. That said, it cannot be denied that Ram has made a very strong statement. The TRX is not coming back to chase its rivals, but to reclaim the top position. That power naturally comes at a cost. A combined fuel consumption of around 20 liters per 100 kilometers means the TRX has virtually no chance of attracting buyers who prioritize fuel efficiency. But this truck was never created to save every drop of fuel. Its value lies in the roar of the V8, the distinctive whine from the supercharger, and the mechanical feeling that is becoming increasingly rare in the era of electrification. For practical buyers, this is a difficult trade-off to accept. But for those seeking raw emotion behind the wheel, this is exactly why the TRX is special. From the direct front view, the Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 immediately creates an overwhelming feeling thanks to its muscular wide-body stance, tall front end, and width that nearly occupies the entire lane. This is not the type of design that tries to look elegant or discreet. Every line is created to emphasize power. From the flared wheel arches, massive front bumper, to the raised hood with a large air intake scoop right in the center. This detail not only makes the truck look more aggressive, but also plays a role in directing airflow to serve the 777 horsepower supercharged V8 engine underneath. The amber-colored position lights continue to be a familiar signature of a particularly wide-bodied vehicle. Combined with the large grille, the logo highlighted with red trim, and clearly arranged cooling vents, the front of the TRX delivers a feeling that is both technical and full of menace. Just by appearing on the road, this pickup truck can hardly be mistaken for a regular Ram 1500 or the RHO version with a smaller engine. Looking at the sides, the 18-inch wheels show that Ram prioritizes performance efficiency rather than chasing size for show. The design supports beadlock capability to keep the tire secure on the rim when the driver needs to lower tire pressure to increase traction on sand, rocks, or soft surfaces. Surrounding the wheels are 35-inch off-road tires with thick sidewalls, which both help absorb impacts and reduce the risk of damaging the rims when the truck has to overcome large rocks. The 11.8-inch ground clearance further strengthens its ability to conquer obstacles while creating a tall, wide, and powerful stance. At the lower part of the front, the glossy black steel bumper, red tow hooks, and skid plate clearly show that the TRX is prepared for real off-road use, not just off-road styling for display. Despite its extreme appearance, the truck still maintains practicality with the 4-door crew cab configuration only, paired with a 5-foot 7-inch bed. This layout provides spacious room for passengers while still retaining the necessary hauling capability of a full-size pickup. The rear is handled solidly, with the RAM lettering spread across the tailgate, the new TRX logo, and the SRT emblem appearing for the first time. A clear statement of its position as the highest performance model in the RAM family. Below are the large dual exhaust pipes, which not only complete the muscular look, but also provide a suitable exit for the supercharged V8. Overall, the TRX's exterior does not aim for sophistication in the way luxury cars do. Its value lies in its authenticity, practicality, and the ability to make viewers immediately understand that this is a machine born to run fast, conquer terrain, and command undeniable presence. In contrast to its off-road-ready exterior, the cabin of the Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 is finished in a style close to a luxury SUV. As soon as you sit in the driver's seat, the roughness of a high-performance pickup truck almost disappears. The seats are upholstered in Natura Plus leather, combined with suede inserts in the center, accented with red stitching and SRT logos, creating a sporty yet refined atmosphere. More importantly, this is not just luxury for visual appeal. The front seats are 12-way power adjustable with 4-way lumbar support and memory function, positions, heating, ventilation, and massage for both the backrest and seat cushion. On long trips, these features deliver much clearer, real-world value compared to flashy, decorative details. The control area continues to show that Ram understands what users need in a truck that is both powerful and capable off-road. The 14.5-inch central touchscreen runs on the Uconnect 5 operating system, supporting navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. In front of the driver is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, combined with a 10-inch head-up display, keeping important information always within view. The 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, 2 wireless charging pads, and 360-degree camera further elevate the user experience to another level. A commendable point is that Ram does not chase extreme digitalization. The traditional rotary gear selector, volume knob, physical climate control buttons, 4-wheel drive mode selector, drive modes, and launch control button are all retained. When the truck is bouncing on dirt roads or the driver is wearing gloves, a clear physical button is always easier to operate than having to precisely tap a small icon on the screen. This is a seemingly simple detail, but it reflects a deep understanding of real-world usage conditions. The biggest advantage of the crew cab configuration only truly becomes clear when moving to the rear seats. The legroom reaches 44.8 inches, spacious enough for adults to stretch their legs comfortably without feeling cramped on long journeys. The backrest can be reclined. The seats are equipped with both heating and ventilation, along with air vents, USB ports, and a household power outlet. Under the floor and seat cushions, there are also additional hidden storage compartments, perfect for storing tools, personal items, or gear for the trip. Overall, the TRX's cabin is not just luxurious to justify the high price. Its real value lies in its ability to take the driver from a dusty off-road trail back to highway cruising without creating a feeling of having to sacrifice comfort. This is exactly the point that helps the TRX move beyond the image of an extreme V8 machine and become a pickup truck that is spacious, modern, and comfortable enough for everyday use. A power close to 800 horsepower would become meaningless if the truck cannot control it when the road surface starts getting rough. Therefore, the Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 is not only upgraded in the engine, but also features a chassis designed to withstand much harsher situations than normal usage demands. At the center of this system is the Bilstein Black Hawk E2 adaptive dampers, a solution chosen by Ram instead of an air suspension system. This is a clearly specialized decision because a high-performance pickup needs quick response, good heat resistance, and reliable stability when constantly compressing and rebounding at high intensity. The beauty of these dampers lies in their ability to change stiffness according to driving conditions. When the truck goes over dirt mounds, deep holes, or uneven surfaces, the system must be soft enough to absorb impacts and help the wheels maintain contact with the road. But as soon as it returns to pavement or accelerates at high speed, the body needs to be held down to limit oscillations, nosedive, and body roll. For a heavy, high ground clearance pickup with 35-inch tires, this balance is far more important than simple ride comfort. Front suspension travel reaches a maximum of 13 inches, while the rear goes up to 14 inches. These figures allow the wheels to travel with the terrain instead of dragging the entire body up and down along with it. Each obstacle. When crossing deep ditches or surfaces with large height differences, the suspension system's flexibility helps the wheels continue to seek traction, thereby reducing the risk of losing pulling power. The 11.8-inch ground clearance, along with the steel skid plates underneath, further builds confidence when having to cross rocks, climb slopes, or navigate sections with many obstacles. However, high ground clearance and long suspension travel alone are not enough to turn the TRX into a true off-road vehicle. The deciding factor also lies in how torque is distributed. The truck is equipped with electronic locking differentials for both the front and rear axles, allowing the two wheels on the same axle to rotate at the same speed when necessary. In situations where one wheel is on a slippery surface while the other has good traction, the system will limit the loss of all power to the spinning wheel. Thanks to this, the truck can escape soft sand, deep mud, or diagonal bridge sections more effectively. The 35-inch off-road tires also play a very important role in real-world performance. The thick sidewalls not only protect the wheels when crossing large rocks, but also create an additional natural damping layer. When the driver lowers tire pressure to increase contact area on sand or soft surfaces, the beadlock-capable wheels help keep the tire edge more stable on the rim. This is a detail that people who rarely go off-road may not notice, but it is very valuable for those who actually use the truck beyond pavement. It is worth noting that the TRX was not created just to crawl slowly over rocks. The damper configuration, long suspension travel, and engine power show that it is aimed at high-speed off-road driving, where the truck must absorb hard landings but still maintain direction. This is the difference between a pickup with off-road accessories and a vehicle developed from the ground up for this purpose. That said, users still need to be realistic. The large size, wide stance, and considerable weight can become disadvantages on narrow forest trails or terrain that requires constant maneuvering. The TRX performs best in deserts, sand dunes, wide dirt roads, and areas that allow the suspension system to work to its full potential. In other words, this is not a vehicle that is unbeatable everywhere, but in its right environment, the specialized chassis helps it turn massive power into real speed, traction, and control. Although developed as a high-performance pickup, the Ram 1500 SRT TRX 2027 still does not forget its core mission of hauling cargo, towing, and serving long journeys. The 5-foot 7-inch bed comes with a protective liner, lighting system, and power tailgate, making loading and unloading more convenient in low-light conditions or when the user is carrying a lot of items. The rear step is also a valuable detail, because the high ground clearance and 35-inch tires can make accessing the bed more difficult than usual. The maximum towing capacity reaches 8,100 pounds, enough to meet many needs such as towing travel trailers, recreational vehicles, or equipment for multi-day camping trips. The trailer brake controller is integrated directly in the cabin, giving the driver better control when handling heavy loads, especially when going downhill or braking suddenly. A payload capacity of around 1,200 pounds does not position the TRX as a heavy-duty work truck. but it is still more than capable of carrying luggage, tools, tents, and equipment for the whole family. The practicality is also evident in the way RAM helps the driver control this massive truck. The 360-degree camera helps with full visibility when parking, turning around, or moving in tight spaces, while blind spot monitoring reduces risks from limited visibility areas. For a wide, tall pickup with strong acceleration capability, these are not show-off features, but almost a necessity for safe daily use. Even more notable is the hands-free driving assistance system at Level 2, provided free for 3 years. On highways, this technology can help maintain lane position, distance, and reduce repetitive actions, thereby limiting fatigue on long trips. However, the driver must still remain focused and ready to take over when necessary. This is an assistance system, not full self-driving capability. From a practical usage perspective, the TRX does not only impress with the V8 roar or power figures. It can still tow recreational vehicles, carry enough gear for long trips, and support the driver with useful technologies. It is precisely this combination of extreme performance with everyday functionality that makes this truck more convincing than just an expensive toy. After all the numbers that excite car enthusiasts, the RAM 1500 SRT TRX 2027 brings us back to the most unavoidable question. How much does it cost to bring this machine home to the garage? The announced starting price is $99,995 USD, excluding approximately $2,800 USD in destination fees. That means even the standard version already exceeds the $100,000 USD mark before the buyer selects any additional options. This is clearly no longer a pickup truck bought just for hauling cargo or daily work. The truck appearing in the video has a price of $110,160 USD after adding options. The more than $10,000 USD difference brings a more striking appearance and some premium amenities. But it also pushes the TRX into the price range of many luxury SUVs and high-performance sports cars. Buyers, therefore, not only consider their financial ability, but must also determine what they really need: speed, off-road capability, family space, or emotion from the supercharged V8 engine. For those who want the truck to stand out even more, RAM also offers the Bloodshot Night Edition package, expected to cost an additional approximately $10,000 USD. This equipment package focuses on contrasting paint colors, graphics, and unique identification details, helping the TRX create a stronger presence. However, most of the additional money goes toward aesthetic value and rarity, rather than changing the already very impressive performance foundation. From a reviewer's perspective, the standard version already possesses the most important elements: the 777 horsepower engine, four-wheel drive, specialized off-road hardware, and a spacious cabin. Option packages should be chosen based on real usage experience, rather than the mentality of having to equip everything. A TRX exceeding $120,000 USD will certainly stand out, but it may not deliver commensurate value if the owner rarely goes off-road or only uses it for city driving. The TRX is therefore a choice that leans more toward emotion than economic calculation. You don't buy it to save fuel or optimize ownership costs. You pay for the V8 power, the supercharger whine, the ability to charge through terrain at high speed, and the feeling of controlling one of the most extreme pickups on the market. For people who clearly understand their needs, that price can be acceptable. But if you are only attracted by the appearance and specifications, this is an investment that can very easily become excessive. In summary, the RAM 1500 SRT TRX 2027 is not for those who only need a pickup for city driving or regular hauling. Its value lies in the rare combination of a 777 horsepower supercharged V8 engine, high-speed off-road capability, real towing capacity, and a cabin luxurious enough for family journeys. However, the price exceeding $100,000 USD, along with high fuel costs, requires buyers to clearly understand their needs. The TRX is only truly worth the money when you fully utilize its power, chassis, and towing capability, rather than buying it just for its aggressive looks. In your opinion, are all these advantages enough for the TRX to surpass the Ford F-150 Raptor R? Leave your thoughts below, hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Like and subscribe to the channel if the video was helpful to you.